we got here? Orangey. Orangey, right? Yes, you're orange. Hi. Hi. Was that good food? That was good food, huh? Yes. What a good girl. What a good girl. Yeah. Oh. Oh, look. Look, there's Yellow Girl. Where you going? Going by the cat? Going by the cat? My cat. She says, I'm so sweet. Oh, everybody wants love. Who are you? Oh, you're the little boy. Yes, you are. Little boy. And there's the little boy. Hi, little one. There's that little girl with the pink. There's you, little girl. Oh, you're so sweet. You are so sweet. Hey, big girl. Hey, big girl. Who wants to go play? They're way more interested in her. Come on. Not you, cat. Come on, let's go to the grass. Come on. Come on. Wants to go in the grass, huh? Not by me. You're supposed to just go play. You're silly. Where you headed, little girl? Little pink girl? Little pink girl? Yes, I know. What are you doing there, Lucy? What are you doing? Who are you? Oh, you are Junebug. No, wait, let me see. No, you're not. You're a sweetie. That's who you are. You're a sweetie. Oh my, do you eat too much? You eat too much, little greenie? You eat too much, little greenie? Yeah. Who's over there by the cat? Yellow one. What are you guys doing sitting underneath me? Just sitting by me for? Come on. Come on, little guy. Come on, little ones. The sun's so bright. The sun is bright. What are you doing down here by my feet? What are you doing down here by my feet, huh? Hey, little girl. Hey, little girl. The little yellow one. Yes. She's happy. Hey, Caleb. What are you guys doing?